In today's video, you will learn about the two major types of insurance or two major types of insurance policy. All right. So, as somebody that has over 6 years of experience in insurance, I think it's necessary for you to know about these classifications to help you on the type of insurance to pick for a particular purpose. On a general scale, insurance is used to minimize the impact of risk. So you can call it a means of protection against financial loss. So let's just get straight into the classifications. The two major classifications of insurance are the life insurance and the non life. The long life can also be referred to as general insurance. Okay, so whenever you hear about general insurance and non life or general business, know that we are talking about the same thing. So let's get into the area of life insurance. Life insurance is a type of insurance policy which someone picks to protect his lives against financial loss. This is the most popular type of insurance we know, whereby Mr. James comes to an insurance company and say, I want to insure my life so that when I die, my family will be paid certain amount of money. Then the insurance company on their side will say, okay, Mr. James, you're going to be paying $5,000 or $1,000 every year. If when you make this payment, which you call premium, and you die along the line when the policy is still in force, when the payment is still active, we, the insurance company, we pay the beneficiary, which in this case can be your wife or your child, so and so amount of money, maybe $80,000. So that is what we call the life insurance, which is pure risk. We refer to this as pure risk insurance. All right. In this life insurance policy, you can classify them further into term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance is that type of life insurance which someone picks and decides to be paying his premium every year or every month or every half yearly or quarterly. I'm coming down to that. What is premium? Premium is the amount the life insured, the person that is insuring his life, the amount he pays for certain intervals. The premium can be paid every month or it can be paid yearly, but in most life insurance policies, they are paid every year. So in this term life insurance, he pays maybe for 2 years. Maybe after 1 year, when the 1 year elapses, he pays again for the next 1 year. When the next 1 year is elapses, he pays again. So that is term because he pays by intervals. But in permanent life insurance, the person insures his life all through his stay on this planet. So that insurance is not going to say, okay, tomorrow I'm opting out. No, he insures his life all through so far he is living until he dies. So that is what that permanent life insurance is. The second type of life insurance is the one we call general insurance, which you can still call the non life insurance. In this type of insurance, what is being protected is not human life, but properties. All right? In case of any damage on these properties, Then the insurance companies pays some amount of money to the person that insures these properties. All right, so that he will not feel the impact of the financial loss. All right, because insurance is about financial loss protection. Example of this kind of insurance is the burglary insurance. In burglary insurance, somebody walks into an insurance company and tells the insurance company, I have a business setup and I want to know how much you people will take to protect this shop against financial loss, whereby every year I pay certain amount of money. So if a thief breaks into that shop and steals the commodity inside, the products I have inside, then you, the insurance company, will pay me some money to restock my setup, my shop, all right, my store. So that is one example of general insurance. So in this case, life is not insured, but properties. All right. But at the end of the year, maybe you insure for 1 year, at the end of that 1 year, and nothing happens, there is no breaking into your store by thief. Then that money goes. The insurance company doesn't pay that money back. All right. That is one thing about non-life. All right. Then we talk about another example is auto insurance, which you can call car insurance. In a situation like this, you as a person gets to an insurance company and you say, I want to insure my car. This car insurance is of so many categories. So you choose what you want to insure against. Maybe you want to insure against accidents. So in case you are driving and you have accidents with your car, what the insurance company will do is that they will pay you some amount of money you agreed at the beginning when you were signing the contract for you to go and repair the car. Or in some cases, if it's beyond repair, they pay you some amount of money for you to buy a new car. So it depends on the agreement you entered with them when you are signing up the insurance policy. All right. Another type of non-life insurance is the home insurance. In that situation, you insure your home that if there is any fire or theft, all right, then the insurance company comes in and give you some amount of money for you to be able to buy some properties and put your home in place. All right. So that is what general business is all about. General insurance is all about. Okay. So in terms of insurance companies that sell these policies, you need to make inquiry in your location. There's some insurance companies that specialize in life insurance alone, and there are some insurance companies that specialize in general insurance. And there are some insurance companies that do both life and non-life. So walk into any insurance company close to where you are staying, and make inquiry. Then they will tell you the plans they have and how much you need to pay. So it's now left for you to make your choice on the type you need. With this, I believe you have understand what insurance types are. All right, so with this, you can make your choice. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. To know more on insurance, consider watching this video here. Thank you and see you some other time.